XDynamics Evolve 2. Got some pricing and availability information. All that's next. Hi everyone, Bill from BillTheDroneReviewer. I make drone and drone-related content. If you're new here, welcome, and consider hitting the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. With all of that, let's begin. Day 2 of CES brings us some more great news regarding drones. The XDynamics Evolve 2 is now available for pre-order, and I have pricing and availability information. Let's go ahead and put the first slide up on the screen. Now, the price on the Evolve 2 is $3,699. They are taking a $50 deposit for pre-order, and not appearing on the screen, but they did say that if you do go ahead and pre-order it, they will include an extra battery, which is $159 at no charge. Now, I'll go ahead and read what it has on the screen. Micro Four Third camera system, interchangeable gimbal, 33 minutes flight time, 11 kilometers range, enlarged dual touch stream controller. The Evolve 2 is the ultimate single operator drone platform for content creators and multi-level professionals. Now it says conditions for the pre-order. The $50 is fully refundable, balance to be paid prior to shipment. The Evolve 2 is expected to ship in early April 2020, and it's only valid in the United States of America. And I'll drop a link in the description so you can go ahead and check that out if you're interested in pre-ordering it. Now, they do have information regarding accessories available. Evolve filters, a set of 4 is $139. An Evolve intelligent battery is $159. Dynawing propellers, a set of 4 is $49. An Evolve ground station is $999. Now, again, there's some, one of the other things that I wanted to go ahead and let everybody know is that the Evolve 2 also has obstacle avoidance this year, which I think is absolutely huge. The team at XDynamics has really done their homework regarding the Evolve 1. The Evolve 2 looks to be something that everyone's going to be getting really excited about. Question of the day, will you be ordering an XDynamics Evolve 2? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted.